Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you have noticed, I have not posted a video past 3 weeks. We have been super busy figuring out what can be done and listing out our essentials that we need to stock up since we cannot possibly risk going outside every now and then, and having kids to take care is even more a bigger responsibility. But I realized that I cannot do anything by simply worrying. It will only take away my peace of mind, it will affect my family time and also my kids especially. We as a family have been praying and patiently waiting for all these things to pass. And at this hard time, I would like to share a verse from the Bible with you all. It says, "For God has not given us the spirit of fear and timidity, but of power, love and self-discipline." This verse has strengthened me a lot, and I have taken decisions about a lot of things that I needed to do or what can be done during this lockdown time. And it's been a productive week since then. And so guys, I tried this new chocolate cookie recipe. It's a chewy recipe than a crispy one, and I would like to walk you through this whole process of how I made this cookie. So stay tuned. Now if you're new here, I would love for you to hang around and do watch my previous videos, and don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click that red subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you get notified on every new video that I put up. To make this chocolate chip cookie, you need butter, 8 tablespoons, white sugar, half cup, light brown sugar, 1/4 cup, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, egg 1 large one. I have taken 2 here since I didn't have a large one. Flour 1.5 cups, baking soda half teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon. Chocolate chips 3/4 cup. It can be a combination of chocolate chips and chocolate chunks. I've taken chocolate chunks here. To start with, in your stand mixer or your electric beater, mix together the butter and the sugars. Now add vanilla and egg. Beat it on low speed until just incorporated for 10 to 15 seconds or so. If you beat the egg for too long, the cookies will become too stiff, so you need to be careful with the timing. Now add the flour and the baking soda and the salt into this mixture. Mix this until the crumbles are formed. form one large ball that is easy to handle. Now add the chocolate chunks into this dough and mix it together with your hands. Take a cookie sheet and line it with the parchment paper and roll the dough into balls. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and place the cookie sheet in the oven. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes until cookies look puffy and dry and just barely golden. Now the cookies are ready. You should let it cool for 30 minutes until it is completely cooled. So that's it guys, it's a very easy recipe, and as I said before, it's a chewy cookie rather than crispy one. In case you want to try making it a little hard, you might want to bake it for about 15 to 18 minutes. But please make sure that you don't burn it. And if you guys have another interesting recipe on how to make chocolate cookie, please do let me know here or in my Instagram account, and I would definitely want to try it out. As I shared with you all, I made few decisions during this lockdown. One is to do constant meal prep, especially since this lockdown is happening and we cannot go out every single day for grocery shopping. This meal prepping has really helped me figure out what is there in my cupboard. That way there is very less or absolutely no wastage of anything. So in this whole process of meal prep, I have started making my own baby food. So I have this baby food chart which tells me what my baby can eat at what age and what month. And right now she can have pumpkin, bananas, pear, apples, rice, etc. All in puree form. So basically what I do is, in case of veggies, I peel them and cut into small pieces and I pressure cook them with a little water in it. And once it is cool, I grind them finely with the same water which is left over in the cooker. And in the case of fruits, I peel them, I cut into small pieces, I put them in saucepan with little water and I boil them until it is soft. And then while grinding, I use the same water which is there left over in the pan to grind it really smooth. So this puree can be thick if your baby is 6 months or above. And then I freeze these purees in ice trays and I store them in Ziploc covers in the freezer. This is way better than the baby food that you get in store and fresh too. Especially if you don't want to spend a lot of time shopping out there, you can always come back home, take a bit of fruits and veggies that you've already bought for your family and make baby food from it. Another major decision that I have taken is to minimize my things. And you all know how we get sentimental when it comes to throwing out our things. So to motivate myself, I'm going to do this 30 days minimalist challenge starting from tomorrow. And at the end of 30 days, I will show you guys what are the things I got rid of from my house. So the game is like this. On the first day, you get rid of one thing. And on the second day, you get rid of 2 things. And so it goes on after 30 days. And by the end of 30 days, you would have decluttered about 465 things from your house. And I'm going to try this and I guess it's going to be fun. That's all you guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in a couple of days. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.